Hi, we're going to be showing how to assemble a double balloon gizmo. You're going to be using the 1 meter jumbo rod and the 8mm jumbo rod with extension for maximum flexibility. First step, you're going to get the O-beam balloon and clear the O-beam channel. This is very important, so when you're putting the 8mm gizmo rod into the balloon, you don't damage the balloon, as you can see here. Next step, you're gonna put the balloon clip into the balloon, and you can see that the balloon has a place for it. You just do once and twice, and it's properly in there. After that, you're gonna connect the 8mm jumbo rod into the 1 meter jumbo rod. Once this is connected, you have to make sure you click the balloon clip into the jumbo cup. So you can see it here, it's locked in and locked in. Next step is to put the balloon clip into the balloon, the standard balloon, and it's pretty much the same procedure. You have put it once and twice. Here we go, it's properly in there. And finally, you have to place the clip into the jumbo cup as we did before, and it's locked in there. And you blow up the balloons, and you're gonna have a double balloon gizmo, as you can see in the video.